Right here is the first curb number that I painted at my parents' house 10 years ago in the summer. As you can see, it's still very legible. Obviously, it kind of looks old. That's because it's 10 years old, but it's in the shade, so it's held up pretty well over the 10 years. Right now, it's about 10 in the morning. As you can see, the tree's helping with the shade a little bit. And going across the court here, you can kind of tell how the different sidewalks and houses have different levels of exposure to the sun. Right here next door, this one gets exposed to the sun a lot earlier in the day, so as you can see, you can't even see the numbers anymore, and even an hour or two, it just makes that difference over a long period of time. Next one, same deal. You can't see the numbers. It's kind of just a white patch. It looks crusty, but you know, it's the inevitability of this over time. The next one, just kind of a bonus. Somebody else painted it. The 9 doesn't look great. It's a little bit off center. Of course, you know, I would have done a better job, but as with the others, you're going to see the sunlight affect this and wear it out quickly over the next couple years.